morning. It is about, I'm just saying good morning, but it's about, what, 10, something like that. And Ray just made some waffles. He makes the best waffles this morning. It's actually Saturday morning. I have a client coming over to get their makeup done. So, but I'm gonna eat my waffle this morning. He makes the best waffles. So, I have a lot going on this morning. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. We're up and about. Ray is outside. Well, he's outside talking. It's a little warm too. Here he is out there. Standing around. You already ate your waffle?
Eating now.
See, so yeah, getting ready to eat my waffle and wait for them to come on over and go ahead and do this and start out my day. I have to finish some Christmas shopping. I need to get a little bit of grocery in here. I got a lot to do today, so that's what I would be doing. I've tried to take you along with me. I had to get my hair done a little bit, make myself look presentable. So it's about, they're coming over, I think, around 12. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out and then finish what I have to do today. I have a lot to do. I'm gonna try to take you along with me, maybe today. So yes, I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. So yeah, this is actually Saturday. So I hope you all are enjoying it and getting your stuff together, getting prepared. So yeah, anyway guys, I will talk to you in a few.
I'm glad your parents are not alive to see this.
What? No, wait, now this is totally preposterous. This is insane. I have no reason to steal. No, wait, I'm not a thief. I demand a
One of our favorite movies, isn't it?
Yep.
You always turn it on to that, huh?
Most definitely.
Realize you're making a great mistake.
Sage is sitting over here eating. She just heard her name. Making a complete mess. I clean this up every day. And she just makes a complete mess. I mix in some rice and some, look at it, and throw up some kind of paper she didn't drug in here. I mix in some rice and egg with her food, so yeah, but, whew. Anyway. Getting ready to fix some green beans. And I just marinated some lamb chops, so that's what I'm doing now. Marinated some lamb chops. Get out the kitchen, you know better. Get out, you know better. Get out the kitchen. No dogs are in my kitchen, I don't play that. I just have my marinated lamb chops. I'm nice and marinated with garlic. As you can see, some of the garlic is on there. Garlic and pepper, a little bit of garlic, pepper, rosemary, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of red wine vinegar, mix it all up in here, and pepper. So yeah, that's the marinade. And then I'm just going to, I should cook it on this side. First I'm gonna sear it on this part first. And then, so you know when that marinade kind of cooks it and gets all into it, it's nice and tender and ooh, just so yummy. And so I'm gonna put it in the oven for about, I'll put it in the oven on, I just warmed it up, so about 350. Well, I'll put it in the oven about 370. And so that's where we're gonna have some lamb chops and green beans tonight. Basically it. A little bit of olive oil. Go ahead and let that cook. I'm right now working on another, I'm just working on another video. So going ahead and editing this so I can go ahead and get this out. So anyway, I will show you my dinner when it is finished. This is the lamb that I cooked. We got a little bit done, more done than I wanted it to. But this is the marinade. It's not actually burnt. It's just the marinade that got a little crispy and so delicious. So yeah. This is
about their kids' internet use.
You like it? Tastes good.
Delicious.
Good. Glad you are enjoying it. Okay, I am in this grocery store trying to find peppermint ice cream. Like, I want some. God. And I used to find it, like it was peppermint ice cream, and it only came out around this time of year, you know, the peppermint ice cream. And I can't find anything. Like, oh my God, all these stupid ice creams, and they don't have my Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Frozen hot peppermint, hot chocolate. It's just plain peppermint, but I guess I'll take it. Okay, there it is. But frozen, I guess. And I don't need none, but I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna go back on my little thing. Right there. Frozen peppermint hot chocolate. It didn't have the hot chocolate part in it. It just had frozen peppermint. But I'll take it. Okay. All right, now I'm happy. I am happy about that. Yes, I am. Happy. So now, let's see. I need to see what I need to get something so I can eat in the morning. I love this cinnamon and raisin Ezekiel bread. I like this. Hey, how you doing? So, yeah, it's not really bread. I need to get some butter too. Unsalted butter. Maybe I get one salted and one unsalted because I'm cooking some dinner. I'm cooking not the traditional dinner. Just I think I'm gonna do some what is it called? Smothered chicken, and might do some green beans and potato salad. I don't know if I'm doing any potato salad. No, I'm gonna do mac and cheese. So, but yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm going to see. Unsalted, here it is, 2 for $5. That's a good deal. So, but anyway, yeah, in here, and it is about what, 10 o'clock now? 10 o'clock. Look at Sagey, she going to sleep tonight. Look at my boo-boo. Night, boo-boo. Ooh, look at it. Coming into my room, but this is so nice and cozy in the room. Getting ready to cut the lights on. It's just a little cute treat. I say I want to get a bigger one for in the room, you know. So yeah, but this is it. I'm getting ready to go in here and just do my face. Go ahead and do my nighttime routine. I showed you all my nighttime routine. But yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. Ready to go to bed. So in the morning, I think I'm gonna get up. Ray want me to make him some muffins for in the morning. So I think I'm gonna take my hair out, and I think I'm gonna go in the morning, try to get up a little earlier before I go to work. I'm so glad. I can't wait till Wednesday. Wednesday is the last day. And then we're gonna pick up Mike. We're gonna go and pick him up on Thursday. So yeah, Mike is our special need baby, but we are gonna see him. We're gonna make sure we get him for Christmas. I'm so excited, and Ray is so excited too. So we got to get him and spend a few days with him. So he loves to come home, fix him his little special meals, and you know. So it's good to see him. He's in his 30s, but you know, you'll see him. I'm gonna let y'all. I think if you've been with me any time, you've seen Mike before. So yeah, we're gonna go pick him up, and everybody's excited. So everybody's gonna be home to see that baby. Ray call him Mookie. And then I'll get back here and try to cook. Like I said, I'm not gonna have a traditional dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare routine. This is one of my favorite parts, to do these eyes, to get all this stuff off my eyes. But anyway, I guess I will see you guys in the morning.